old school. He's at the park right now today. We're gonna draw a picture of him, right? All right. So, what can the old school be doing? I don't know. Old school is chilling. You know what I mean? So we don't want him to be. All right. You know, to be honest with you, his face looks kind of like this to me already. He has this kind of expression to me, right? So watch how I build his face off of that. I use the eyebrow, the same eyebrows, but I just lighten them up because they're specific to his picture. Okay, now watch the eyes. I'm gonna do the same exact little eyes like this. Okay, I'm gonna make them kind of close and do like this. Okay, now watch. Then I'm gonna put the nose shape. Make sure I got my nose on point. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the mouth. Watch. I'm gonna drop down and then I'm gonna put my mouth just like it is in the picture. See that? Now watch. All I gotta do is build my face around that, right? He kind of looks like President Biden, doesn't he? A little bit. President Biden, what you doing at the? Okay. And then we go here, and then we come on down. Watch, boom, and like that, right? And then we come over here. Whoop. Put that a little, right? Right. Okay, and then we come up here to the top of the head, and we just and light colored hair. You get it? So you can do, man, you can do all kinds of stuff, man. If you just, you loosen up a little bit. Okay? Because see, I went with what I feel about the picture. Mm-hmm. All right. So there you go, right? Quick little cartoon of him, right? Again, what did I focus on? Secondary features. Use the same expression that you see on the screen, but then again, I went with, so the expression is kind of like this. I know you guys can't really see it on. Okay, so only thing I did was change this to customize it to his face. So I drew him at varying. I picked the actual how far away they were, close together, far apart thing, and then I was able to just loosen up and create the caricature from there. You know what I mean? But it's not, when you start off drawing like this, and you're putting features, right? Okay, it's harder when you don't have a framework for what you're trying to do. So if you don't start with something like, what is it that you want your picture to be doing, it's going to be hard for you to get that likeness. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So that is, picture. Let's go here to, I drew him before. Hmm. Elon Musk. All right, let me see. What can I do with this face? Let's say I want to make him be a little bit happier. I can go with something happy. Let's see here. Right, let me see. Even though his face looks, it's going to be hard to pull it off, but I can do it. Let's do jealous, love struck, hysterical. I wonder what would hysterical look like. Let's see if we can make him look hysterical. Okay, hold up. Here we go. All right, so again, we're going to take our basic expression. Okay. We're going to drop down the nose shape, see if we can get it to look just like him, but with we're going to concentrate on our secondary features. Okay. Okay, we want the strong cheekbones in there. And the strong cheekbones over here. Okay, again, we're just using him as a template for our cartoon. We're being inspired by him, right? And this is what you should be doing as a caricaturist. You're being inspired by the person sitting in front of you so that you can do other stuff with the picture, okay? Other than just draw exactly what you see and try to make a portrait out of it, okay? And then we'll just put his actual hairline. So something like that. And like that. Okay. Now, only thing is, what I would have done had I could do this over again, what I did miss was this, and I'm going to show you what I missed. You see that space in between his lip and his mouth? So I still think it looks like a pretty decent cartoon of him, but if I had it all to do over again, let's just go back here. Let's see how that would have worked out. So if I'd have went here and here, hysterical, right? The eyes, the nose is okay. Let's drop it down some, like this, and then do like this. Let's see, and go with a smaller shape maybe. And then go with the chin shape. Let's kind of round it off right here. Yeah. And see, and then again, you can come back, put all your secondary features in, put everything around this to look like him, and the person that you're drawing will get the point. They'll be like, oh, that's funny, right? That's me. And this is if you want to do those, those crazy, wacky cartoons people, right? Okay. Okay. All right. So you see how that would have worked out. This one right here versus this one versus the original picture. So we're trying again to make something that looks like him, but express him in the way we want to express him. Don't get so caught up on the Clint Eastwood look. Even though if you want to put the Clint Eastwood look, you still can do that. And then all you have to do is go with an emoji that looks like that, kind of like this one right here. So we were drawing him more toward what he might look like in the picture, right? Maybe we want to use these eyes right here, right? Okay. So again, let's look at that expression. Now watch. So I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go here like it is in my emoji right here, and then I'm gonna go like this, right? And then like this, right? Okay, so you can see, right? And then you come here and you hit the, right? Then the drop down. And then if you want to do your mouth shape like his, or you can do it exactly like his, you can, something like that. Okay. And then you can come here and then you can start putting in your shapes like that. Okay. Now his also, he has kind of a downturn to the eye, so I could have went like this and also went like, like that. That's more like what's actually going on in the picture, right? All right, let me see here. Okay. All right. So, hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.